These have to be one of the hardest sneakers to work on in terms of restoring them. They have to be. If this material gets scratched, it's almost like it's a wrap for sure. But I was able to find a way to do it with some pretty good results. Now, if you had seen these before, you would not have believed that these are the same sneakers. Let me show you one of the worst scratches that it had. I just sold these actually. See this scratch right here? This was actually black. Now it just looks like, if you hold it at a distance, you can barely see it. But this whole scratch was black, right? Actually cut. I can't remember if it's a nail or something like that did it. But I was able to fill it. You can see the line, but it's not black anymore. And that's just one of them that had a couple really bad scratches. The others are pretty much taken care of. Like, you can't even make them out. Like, this one had some pretty bad scratches too, but you can't see it anymore. Right? Look at how good these look. And let's not forget, these shoes been out for years already, right? I think these came out in 2011, I think was the release. So these things been out for a long time, right? So for them to be looking in this condition, 9 times out of 10, it's an impossibility. You don't see anybody with these Silver Surfers in good condition, right? And the thing is, there's no tutorials, no videos on YouTube. I've checked, see if people made, videos on how to restore them, and I actually had to figure it out on my own. So I was able to do it, and yeah, this is the success story. I actually just sold these on eBay. I'm actually boxing them up right now just so that I could ship them out. Like I said before, I am going to be doing a raffle. Pass this video on to people who are interested in sneakers or whatever the case is. I'm going to be giving away a pair of kicks. I already uploaded a video before about it. I'll probably do another one. But just so that you can see firsthand, the kind of work that I do. And, of course, I am dedicated to growing my channel. So it's not just going to be about sneakers, obviously, but there will be something for everybody. But this is one of these situations where you can see that, I'm serious about what I do. Especially when it comes to sneakers. I love collecting, sneakers. I'm a big sneaker guy. So I hope you like this video. If you're interested in my method, obviously you could reach out to me. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to share it. This is something that, like I said, I just made up myself on how to restore it. And I'm talking about scratches on this area right here. Here, if it's cut or if it's destroyed, I don't know, it might be pretty much a wrap for it. If it is, but scratches here, depending on how bad they are, there's a way to fix them. There's definitely a way to fix them. For the scuffs, it's pretty simple on the silver. It's just a Q-tip and 50/50 acetone and water. But for an actual scratch, yeah, way different method. And even the airbrushing, it does not adhere to this properly, even in really light layers. But there is a method that is easier that you could use, but like I said, I had to figure that out on my own. So, there are no tutorials on it. So I guess it's a well-kept secret, if that's the case. All right. So I'm probably going to upload another video soon. I'll see you guys then.